In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now scroll down to click on Apps over here. Scroll down a tiny bit again, and this time select Cloned Apps. Following that, you can see all apps available to clone on your device over here. Now to clone any of them, use this plus on the right of a chosen one, or click on a chosen one on the left and hit create over here. Whatever you decided, just wait. As you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you want to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on bin icon next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!